Look at all those beautiful oysters, man. The folks from Bulls Bay hooked us up. If you know me, you better come see me tomorrow. It's an oyster roast going down. Got some of these beautiful oysters from Bulls Bay. About to go down. Y'all get ready. We just got these beautiful oysters yesterday from Bulls Bay, the Lake Oconee Wine and Food Festival. We done set up our own little oyster roast, so it's about to go down. We putting them suckers on there. It's about to go down. They did a good job, excellent job yesterday at the Wine and Food Festival in Lake Oconee. And so we are going to repeat what they did. We got our wet burlap. See y'all in a few minutes. That's it right there. Steam out them oysters. Think about that burlap, it ain't even gonna burn up. I done soaked it for probably a good hour. Oh, it's already. Put your hand up there. I'm not gonna smoke it. We're gonna take it off and see what we got. Well, they look pretty good to me. They smell really good. They hot as shit. I can't tell if they're done or not, but we'll take them off anyway. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, fell on the burlap. That's all right, though. Oh, my God. Thank you, Bulls Bay. Oyster roast. Y'all know about that oyster roast.